Ohio, a state that often flies under the radar yet holds a unique charm and significance in the heart of America. It's a state that sits smack dab in the middle of everything, geographically and culturally. A place where the industrial Midwest bumps up against the rolling hills of Appalachia, creating a unique blend of landscapes and lifestyles. You might think of cities and factories when you think of Ohio. Indeed, the state has a rich industrial history, with cities like Cleveland, Cincinnati, and Columbus playing pivotal roles in America's manufacturing and economic growth. But tucked away amongst the bustling urban centers is a hidden gem, a world of natural beauty just waiting to be discovered. From serene parks to lush forests, Ohio offers a surprising escape into nature. Ohio is a state of surprising contrasts. The juxtaposition of urban and rural, industrial and natural creates a diverse tapestry that is both intriguing and inviting. Yes, there are cities and factories. These urban areas are bustling with life, innovation and culture, offering a dynamic environment for residents and visitors alike. But there are also vast forests, sparkling lakes, and rushing rivers. These natural wonders provide a serene counterbalance to the urban hustle and bustle, offering a peaceful retreat for those seeking solace in nature. This is a place where you can hike through ancient hemlock groves in the morning and catch a baseball game in the city that evening. The blend of outdoor adventure and urban excitement is truly unique. It's a place where nature thrives alongside civilization. The coexistence of these two worlds is a testament to Ohio's commitment to preserving its natural heritage while fostering urban development. Ohio is a place for explorers, for those who seek adventure and discovery. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply wandering through its many trails, there's always something new to uncover. For those who find joy in the whisper of the wind through the trees, Ohio's forests offer a tranquil escape. The gentle rustling of leaves and the fresh scent of pine create a soothing atmosphere that rejuvenates the soul. The splash of a fish leaping from the water is a reminder of the vibrant aquatic life that thrives in Ohio's lakes and rivers. Fishing enthusiasts will find plenty of opportunities to cast their lines and reel in a big catch. The sight of a deer bounding through a sun-dappled forest is a magical moment that connects you with the wild beauty of Ohio. Wildlife enthusiasts will be delighted by the diverse species that call this state home. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and rediscover the simple pleasures of the outdoors. Whether you're picnicking by a lake, hiking a scenic trail, or simply enjoying the view, Ohio's natural beauty is sure to captivate you. So come along with me as we delve into the heart of Ohio and uncover its hidden natural treasures. From its bustling cities to its serene landscapes, Ohio is a state that offers something for everyone. Let's explore and experience the magic of Ohio together. Ohio's landscape is as diverse as its people. From the northern shores of Lake Erie to the southern reaches of the Ohio River, the state offers a rich variety of natural features that captivate the eye and stir the soul. Sculpted over millennia by glaciers and erosion, Ohio's terrain tells a story of ancient natural forces at work. The glaciers that once covered this land left behind a legacy of unique geological formations and fertile soils. The state is a tapestry of rolling hills where the landscape undulates gently, creating a picturesque scene that changes with the seasons. In the fall, these hills are ablaze with vibrant colors, offering a breathtaking view that attracts visitors from near and far. Fertile plains stretch out in the central and western parts of Ohio, providing some of the richest agricultural land in the country. These plains are interspersed with deep river valleys where waterways have carved their paths over countless years. In the east, the Appalachian Plateau rises up, a rugged landscape of forested hills and valleys carved by ancient rivers. This area is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering numerous trails and scenic vistas. The forested hills and valleys of the Appalachian Plateau are a testament to the power of natural forces. These ancient river valleys have shaped the land, creating a diverse ecosystem that supports a wide variety of plant and animal life. This is where you'll find the state's highest elevations, with peaks reaching over 1,500 feet. These elevated areas offer stunning views and a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The peaks, though not towering by national standards, provide a unique perspective on Ohio's landscape. They are a reminder of the state's geological history and the natural processes that have shaped it. The central and western parts of the state are dominated by the Till Plains, a vast expanse of gently rolling farmland and prairies sculpted by glaciers during the last ice age. This area is the heartland of Ohio's agricultural industry, producing a bounty of crops each year. The prairies and farmlands of the Till Plains are a testament to the fertility of the soil and the hard work of Ohio's farmers. These lands have been cultivated for generations, providing food and resources for the state and beyond. And then there's Lake Erie, Ohio's window to the north. This massive freshwater lake, one of the Great Lakes, stretches for over 200 miles along Ohio's northern border, offering a wealth of recreational opportunities and natural beauty. Lake Erie is a vital resource for the state, providing water, transportation, and a habitat for numerous species of fish and wildlife. Its shores are dotted with charming towns and bustling cities, each with its own unique character. The lake's shoreline is a constantly changing landscape of beaches, cliffs, and wetlands. These diverse environments support a wide range of plant and animal life, making it a popular destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The beaches along Lake Erie are perfect for a summer getaway, while the cliffs offer stunning views of the water. The wetlands are a haven for birdwatchers, providing a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of the region. This varied terrain is part of what makes Ohio so special. It means that within a few hours' drive, you can experience a wide range of natural environments, each with its own unique beauty and charm. Whether you're driving through the scenic countryside, hiking through dense forests, or exploring the shores of Lake Erie, Ohio offers a wealth of experiences for nature lovers and adventurers alike. You can go from hiking through dense forests, where the trees form a canopy overhead and the air is filled with the sounds of wildlife, to kayaking on a placid lake where the water is calm and the scenery is serene. Kayaking on Ohio's lakes and rivers offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a chance to connect with nature and enjoy the tranquility of the water. For those who seek adventure beneath the surface, Ohio's caves provide a fascinating glimpse into the underground world. These caves are filled with unique rock formations and hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. It's a state that truly has something to offer everyone. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventurer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Ohio's diverse landscapes and rich natural heritage are sure to captivate and inspire you. Ohio was once almost entirely covered in forests. These vast expanses of greenery were home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, creating a rich tapestry of life that stretched as far as the eye could see. The forests were not just a collection of trees, but a living, breathing ecosystem that supported countless species and played a crucial role in the environment. While much of that land has been converted to farmland over the centuries, the transformation has been a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has provided fertile ground for agriculture, feeding generations of Ohioans and contributing to the state's economy. On the other hand, it has led to the loss of many natural habitats, pushing wildlife to the fringes and altering the landscape in profound ways. Yet despite these changes, vast tracts of woodlands still remain, standing as a testament to the state's wild heart. These remaining forests are not just relics of the past, but vibrant ecosystems that continue to thrive and evolve. They offer a glimpse into what Ohio once was and a promise of what it can still be. A testament to the state's wild heart, these forests are sanctuaries of biodiversity. The forest floor is a world unto itself, teeming with life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in the intricate web of life that sustains the forest. In southeastern Ohio, the Wayne National Forest sprawls across 250,000 acres. This vast expanse of wilderness is a haven for those seeking to reconnect with nature. The forest is a mosaic of rolling hills, deep hollows, and meandering streams, each element contributing to the overall beauty and complexity of the landscape. This rugged landscape of hills, hollows, and streams is a haven for hikers, campers, and nature lovers. Trails wind through the forest, offering endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Campers can set up their tents under the canopy of trees, falling asleep to the sounds of the forest and waking up to the chorus of birdsong. Here, you can lose yourself in the quiet beauty of the forest, surrounded by towering oaks, hickories, and maples. These majestic trees have stood for centuries, witnessing the passage of time and the changing of seasons. Walking among them, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and reverence for the natural world. Further north, the Cuyahoga Valley National Park protects a scenic stretch of the Cuyahoga River. This park is a sanctuary for both wildlife and people, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The river winds its way through the park, providing a lifeline for the plants and animals that call this place home. This park is a popular destination for hiking, biking, and paddling. Trails crisscross the landscape, inviting visitors to explore the natural beauty of the area. Cyclists can ride along scenic paths, while paddlers can navigate the gentle waters of the river, experiencing the park from a unique perspective. It's also home to the Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad, which offers a unique way to experience the park's beauty. The train winds its way through the park, offering passengers stunning views of the landscape. As you look out the window, you can see the forest stretching out before you, a sea of green that seems to go on forever. And it's not just the scenery that makes Ohio's forests so special. These woodlands are teeming with life, each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature contributes to the health and vitality of the forest. These woodlands are teeming with life. Birds flit from tree to tree, their songs filling the air. Small mammals scurry across the forest floor, foraging for food and building nests. The forest is a bustling community, each creature going about its daily business. White-tailed deer are a common sight, their tails flashing white as they bound through the underbrush. These graceful animals are a symbol of the forest. Their presence a reminder of the wildness that still exists in Ohio. Wild turkeys gobble from the forest floor, their calls echoing through the trees. These birds are a vital part of the forest ecosystem, their foraging helping to control insect populations and their presence adding to the rich tapestry of life in the woods. While pileated woodpeckers hammer rhythmically on dead trees. Their drumming is a familiar sound in the forest, a reminder of the constant cycle of life and death that sustains the ecosystem. These birds play a crucial role in the forest, their pecking helping to break down dead wood and recycle nutrients back into the soil. Keep your eyes peeled and you might catch a glimpse of a red fox slinking through the trees. These elusive animals are masters of stealth, their keen senses allowing them to navigate the forest with ease. Seeing a red fox is a rare and special treat, a reminder of the hidden wonders that lie within the forest, or a bald eagle soaring overhead. These majestic birds are a symbol of strength and freedom, their presence a testament to the health of the forest. Watching a bald eagle soar through the sky is a breathtaking experience, a reminder of the beauty and power of nature. Ohio's forests are a constant reminder that even in the heart of the Midwest, nature is never far away. These woodlands are a sanctuary for both wildlife and people, offering a place of peace and tranquility in an ever-changing world. Whether you're hiking through the woods, camping under the stars, or simply sitting quietly and listening to the sounds of the forest, Ohio's forests offer a chance to reconnect with nature and find solace in its beauty. Water is a defining feature of Ohio's landscape. The mighty Ohio River, from which the state takes its name, forms its southern border, its waters flowing westward to join the Mississippi. This historic waterway was once a major transportation route and played a key role in the settlement of the West. To the north, the vast expanse of Lake Erie dominates the horizon. This shallowest of the Great Lakes is a world unto itself, home to a unique ecosystem of fish, birds, and other wildlife. Its waters provide recreation for millions, from fishing and boating to swimming and sunbathing. But Ohio's waters are more than just the Ohio River and Lake Erie. Hundreds of smaller rivers and streams crisscross the state. They flow through forests and farmlands, carving valleys and creating waterfalls. These waterways provide essential habitat for a wide variety of plants and animals. Whether you're casting a line for bass in a quiet stream, paddling a canoe down a scenic river, or simply enjoying the view from the shore, Ohio's waters offer a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.